Hi, this is Jeff at Tech Equipment in Seattle, and I'm standing in front of Isuzu NQR diesel. This is a 20-foot box truck, and as you can see, this one has got 126,000 miles, and interior, it's got the bench seat, all-weather floor mats, got the Bridgestone tires up front. Exterior of the box is in excellent condition. Same here with your tires. This one, I really do like the Paul Finger lift jacks. This one is a tuck under. It has got a 2,500 pound capacity. This box is a Summit box. You do have 2 rows of E-channel. And then this one does have a side exterior door and great condition tires, got a step there, pretty secure door. There you go.